prevailing in the country. Jehovah, may everything work out well to the honor and glory of your name. For it's in Jesus' mighty name do I pray, trusting and believe. I will start by just saying one thing because we don't have time. I will say it in Kijaluo and then I'll translate. President Ruto erokamano kuom yiero John Mbadi. Mondo obed ma minister. Sani pesa mar Kenya nindo e thurwa ka. Ber koso ok ber? And I want to thank you, Your Excellency, because Honorable John Mbadi sits in and I am in budget. All we want you to do, Your Excellency, give an executive fiat. John Mbadi ananiambia na mimi naweka kwa budget na development inakuja. Eko soka. Kati ya kuna wacho ni ajo turwa. President Uneno Bedokani. Manager class at university. Kendo nwale mokode Christian Union. Ogi mamwara. Ninga do nyalo bedo president. Do class no nani ine. Awaji koso kikawaje. Nikenge president ni. Kengi ne class achiel ni nyako maber kamilo gesa kama. Poki anguka nayo. Iwe nyako ni gosiba. Ibabwe malango. Nene class koso keneda. Onine koso keneda. Omiya. Anadwa wacho mana ni Your Excellency. In translating, I am saying that we the super people are very happy with the way you have appointed everybody. Awaje wale kusoka wacho. Yo tuwa donga wege maro. Yasayo kuwezi nwau. Okendo tina mani malo. Okendo tina super malo. Okendo tina Raila Amolo Odinga malo.
Mabeyo duto te kuomona Suba. Kapok aluongo Junet Mohammed, who is a minority leader, allow me to welcome my friend and my colleague from Migori County, the